Hello everyone, welcome to the second day of Electroma 2025, a platform which is powering the future of energy. And today we have with us a dynamic leader who is shaping the growth trajectory of Rishabh Instruments Limited. Welcome to Electrica Mirror, sir. So, sir, can you please take us through the journey of Rishabh Instruments Limited so far, and what are the key milestones of your company in the last few years?
Okay. So, yeah, as you know, Rishabh Instrument is almost a 40-year-old company, and it's got a long legacy of, being a very innovative company. And since 1983 till now, we have introduced a lot of technologies. We have acquired technologies from Germany and developed a lot of products in India also. We acquired technologies from Czech, Poland, and UK, and that legacy will always continue. And the recent one is more on solar. So this is a new range of solar inverters and which we are introducing into Indian market. We are probably one of the very few companies who have the whole technology developed, manufactured, and coming into fulfilling the solar needs of the country. So this is one product range, and then we are also coming with a lot of smart products. So it's not just the quality, it's not just the power which is being made available for the whole country. It's also the quality of power which is going to be the next step. Monitoring the quality of power and measuring the quality of power, and those are the areas in which a lot of research is being happening, and we are introducing a lot of those products around that area, and also a lot of things on the analytics side of it. So power analytics when it comes to acquiring the data and doing predictive maintenance of the systems. So those are the areas in which we are getting into, using a lot of AI algorithms also. That's the future in which we'll be going. And we had 5 R&D setups. We are setting up another one in IIT campus. So that's going to come up with a lot of cutting edge technologies for the industry.
It's already second day of Electroma 2025, and its key theme for this edition is powering the future of energy. So what kind of experience you are having over here, and what are your expectations from this edition?
Yeah, so I'm very, very pleasantly surprised. It's just 1.5 days now, and it's just not the quantity, it's also the quality of people who are coming. We have had a tremendous amount of interest shown in the new products that we have launched, and we had a lot of meetings from our European partners and Indian partners who want to come up with some ideas they want us to develop, because they know that we can do a lot of R&D and also manufacturing. So they are interested to be not just a customer, also technology partners, business partners, and it's really been very, very successful so far for us in 1.5 years. And as you can see, the stall is always busy, and our team has also put up a lot of skits to highlight the products and made it very interesting, and we are very happy with whatever we have done so far.
Yeah. So as a prominent leader in the market, how is your company going to expand in the upcoming years? Are your company working on any new innovations or technologies?
Yeah. So we are a company with a long-term vision. So we are expanding on many aspects. One is we are increasing our capacities. We are building more capacities in India, in Poland. We are adding more SMT lines and more buildings to do that. And on the product development side also, we are every year we come up with about 6 to 12 new products, and now we are building a product line for the next 5 years. So that will be our strategy, where we will be adding more and more products in the direction where the new technologies which are evolving in other industries also, we are trying to adapt them in energy industry and build more from there.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views with us. We wish you all the best.